MODMAN here, and welcome back to the workshop. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how I flush the flow while I'm cleaning screens. Let's get into it. So I'm going to take an old Reach It brush. Now these brushes must be 10 years old at least. This one here is a dual trim, the old Reach It dual trim with the pencil jets. They came with 4 jets. This is an old medium bristle. Again, came with the 4 jets. Now I don't use jets anymore. I use rinse bars only now. So I'm going to use this and take this and transform this into my screen brush. So with these were called the Better Packs, and what came with those was an arrangement, an assortment of jets. Now they came from very small to very large. They came with a fan jet and different sizes in between. I am going to choose the biggest hole diameter that they came with, the largest one. Now this I'm going to fit all of these, 4 of these, into each hole, each jet hole. These simply just screw straight in, and then once these are screwed in, what I'm going to take then is the push fits here, the Y push fits, and up to a T-junction, and then out to a high flow at the end there. So I'll connect these up, and that becomes the screen brush. Okay, so I'll take these fittings, push fit them straight on to these Y junction fittings. This now becomes a fantastic little handheld screen cleaner brush. High flow hose into here, 4 large jets, so that becomes a fantastic little screen brush. Okay, now I have cleaned the external and the internal windows are all done. I'm now going to do the screen cleaning. So I'll grab my screen cleaning brush, this one here. I will now change over the wastewater to the pure water. Change these over. I'll now put the wastewater onto the pure water tap, and I'll put the pure water onto the wastewater. So what's happening now is the wastewater is now going directly into my hose reel and out to my hose. Okay, now you've got those hoses changed over. Turn tap on, come to this flush, turn your switch to flush. Your flow is now in flush mode. I have now completed this window clean. My hose is around at this end because this is where I've finished the cleaning. So this is where I'll pick it up now on the screen cleaning. So this is where the flush water, I'm now flushing the flow. This is the flush water coming out of the flow. I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone here. I'm flushing the flow while I clean the screens. Alright, so I'll take the flush water here, plug it into my screen cleaning brush, and there's your flush water. I'm flushing the flow and cleaning the screens. My production waste valve, turn to waste. I now follow my hose to where I did my last window. Okay, so this is now my flush water coming out of here. There's the first screen I'm going to clean. So I'll take the flush water, put it into my screen cleaning brush, and clean the screens.
Do you really think you know me? As a man that lived next door, from a hole in which you told me, think I know you.
Now, of course, if you want to add some detergent to the brush, to clean the screen up a little bit more, it's got a bit of grease and whatever on it, just put a drop in there. You can get some soaps stuck up onto the screen if you prefer to have some soap stuck.
Wasted lives, and sometimes, well, he would play the father, played his part in the Civil War. When you look in the eyes of the father,
So there you go, as you can see,
teaches
screen
the
came up
soul
very
wrong from
clean
right.
indeed.
Do you really think you know me? Creeping around, it's the dead of night. As a man that faced the crossfire, he could see the fog. Shot the man that lived next door. Wasted lives, and sometimes, well, he would play the father, play his part in the Civil War.